Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at the parseInt method of a number which we have inside the JavaScript. So basically what does the parseInt do? For example, if we have a string str equal to 1, and what I want is I want to convert this string convert this string to a number. But the question is, how can we do that? In the JavaScript we can use something like parseInt, and it takes a string as an argument. Then you can pass a string over here, and what it will do, it will convert your string to a number. So basically whenever you want to convert your string to a number, then you can use this parseInt method. But in case if you provide an invalid string, then it will return your NaN. It means not a number. So this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.